Shakalaka, today's video, I'm going to take a look at the next most likely coin to 100x based on a strategy that helped me pick out Celsius when it was 6 cents before it went to over $8, that I used to pick out Matic back when it was 1 cent before it went up to over $2.50. Today's video, we're going to take a look at the next most likely coin to 100x. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the next most likely coin to 100x. Guys, this is my favorite video series because all of these picks are unconventional picks that most people don't look at because they're not hyped all over the place, but they have huge potential. As a matter of fact, if you go to YouTube and type in Crypto Love 100x and take a look at these last videos that I've made, every coin on average is up 60%. 2 of them have already doubled since I made the videos, and this is just the beginning. And I do want to say that these are not like picks that you're going to buy today and sell in a week. These are picks that you put your money in, you wait patiently 6 months to a year, and then it 100x's. You do not put all of your portfolio in them because it just needs to sit there until it absolutely rockets, because that's what all of these picks are going to do. Now, how did I do that? Well, I use a strategy that I used to pick out Celsius when it was pennies, when I used to pick out Matic, otherwise known as Polygon, when it was pennies. And this is using Tokenmetrics. Now, what they do is they go and look at the code, they look at the team, they look at the entire project, and they're amazing at picking out huge winners. So guys, if you haven't tried out Tokenmetrics yet, I highly recommend that you do try it out. There's a discounted link down in the pinned comment and the description. And if you do have access to Tokenmetrics, you can go over to Tokenmetrics TV and see some of the picks that I may pick out before I pick them. Now, on to today's episode. What exactly is the coin? Before we do, like, subscribe, click the notification bell. It helps out so much. Also, come join us over on Twitter. Win one of these shirts. Now, the coin for today, Chia Network. Now, this is something that a lot of you may never have heard of, but this is one that potentially could be absolutely huge. Chia Network is a new blockchain and smart transaction platform that is easier to use, more efficient, and secure. Now, what exactly is it? Well, it's using a new consensus algorithm, proof of space and time. So it's a cryptographic technique where provers show that they allocate unused hard drive space for storage space. In order to be used as a consensus method, proof of space must be tied to proof of time. Proof of time ensures that block times have consistency in the time between them and increases the overall security of the blockchain. Now, this is a very secure blockchain, but it's not using proof of work. It's using something completely different, and this is how it works. Proof of space can be thought of as a way to prove that you are keeping some storage unused on your hard disk drive. Users of the Chia blockchain will seed unused space on their hard disk drive by installing software which stores a collection of cryptographic numbers in the disk into plots. These users are called farmers. When the blockchain broadcasts a challenge for the next block, farmers can scan their plots to see if they have the hash that's closest to the challenge. A farmer's probability of winning a block is the percentage of the total space that a farmer has compared to the entire network. So this is basically like mining Bitcoin back in the very beginning, except instead of using mining and these very expensive miners, it's using unused hard disk space that everybody has on their computers. And if we take a look, this completely solves all of the energy problems that were mentioned with Bitcoin, with proof of work. Right now, you can see here on the left, Bitcoin, 135 terawatt hours. Ethereum, 54 terawatt hours. Chia, next to nothing, almost nothing. But on the other side, because it's using hard disk space, after Chia came out, it actually led to a shortage in hard disk shortages of hard disk drives, and it actually boosted the price of a bunch of stocks for hard disks companies like Western Digital and some other ones. But as we can see here, blockchain payments platform Chia on an accelerated timeline to IPO. They're doing something different than a lot of other cryptocurrencies have done, is they're aiming to actually IPO. They've actually already gotten a $500 million valuation with big names like Andreessen Horowitz or Naval Ravikant, the founder of AngelList. And the guy who created Chia Network, actually, he's quite well known. Bram Cohen, he actually created BitTorrent, which Justin Sun bought for $140 million. So he's definitely not new to creating technology. Now, if we take a look at this, the other thing is the IPO may be as early as this year, maybe the beginning of next year. Now, if we take a look at the overall growth, Chia Space right now at 35 exabytes. So it's been growing pretty significantly, but it actually leveled out for a while because it's been less popular for the past couple weeks. And we can see the whole growth right here. Actually, up until about June, it was growing pretty quickly, but now it seems to have leveled off quite a bit. And that leads us to the opportunity, the 100x opportunity. If we take a look at Chia right now, it's $259 right now. Total market cap, $371 million. And if we take a look at the graph right here, we can see that at one point, Chia was trading at $1,500. It came all the way down to what appears to be a low somewhere around the end of July, right around $177, and then has started to work its way back up. And as a matter of fact, if we take a look at the visual trends index over on Tokenmetrics, we can see that it actually just turned bullish on August 13th, 2 days ago. An absolutely amazing time to buy in. And another thing that this project has got going for it is that while it is available on some exchanges, and it is available even to Americans on Gate.io, it's not on any of the big popular exchanges yet. This is completely unknown, completely unhyped, completely poised to absolutely rocket. And the reason that this could do this is because it has very experienced people, very experienced team behind it. It's actually a legit project that's growing quite quickly, and it's pretty much bottomed out in terms of price. So all of these things, that's like the trifecta, all of these coming together at the same time makes it an awesome time to consider investing in Chia. Now, granted, this isn't financial advice, but it seems like this one has a lot of upward potential because let's just say, and this is just speculation, but let's just say Elon Musk wants to actually make Dogecoin useful. Potentially, he connects Dogecoin with Chia Network because Chia Network has all of the most brilliant investors in Silicon Valley investing in it. Well, potentially, we might see quite a rocketing north of the Chia price. So guys, that's all for today's video. Short little quick one for you on the next most likely coin to 100x. If you did enjoy that, make sure to check out Tokenmetrics. You could see some of the other picks that I might be making upcoming videos for. If you check out Tokenmetrics TV, you could see Ian Bellina's moon mission. You could see his own portfolio where he himself owns a lot of these particular coins. He turned $20,000 into over $5 million in the last bull run, and I'm sure he's doing even better than that this time. So there's a discounted link for Tokenmetrics in the pinned comment, also in the description. And also make sure to check out Crypto Love 100x for some of my most recent picks. Like I said, guys, on average up 63%. Some of them already doubled. You'll definitely want to stay tuned for the other ones. I'll see you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.